Welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Use Basics. Today we are going to learn how to download Candy Crush Soda Saga on Android. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Google Play Store. Then after, over here in your search bar at the top right corner, search for Candy Crush Soda Saga. And then after, tap on the search bar. Then over here you can see the option of Candy Crush Saga by Kings. Tap on it over here, then tap on install. Make sure your internet connection is stable so that your Candy Crush Saga Soda will be downloading faster. After downloading, you can play Candy Crush Soda. There you go, your Candy Crush Saga Soda has been downloaded. Now you can play.